Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you don't know, my name is Tamia Lee, and today I'm going to be doing a really quick hairstyle. It's gonna be my hairstyle of the week actually. I recently dyed my hair. I did a video on that and I'm loving it. But truth be told, y'all, I do not like when my hair falls in my face like this. And when I'm working, if I don't have it pulled back, it's gonna fall on my face, and I really, really hate it. So I did a real quick retwist 2 nights ago. I said I was gonna be quick, and here I am talking. All right, so boom, I'm gonna do a part right here. Do I want this side? I don't want this side. This side. I think I'm gonna do this side. I'm gonna show y'all though, but I'm gonna start off by twisting, and if I'm ashy, y'all, forgive me, okay? It's late, and yeah, I'm probably gonna go to bed after this. So I just start off with a twist right there, and then you see you got two. I'm just gonna grab that and make it three, okay? And then I'm just gonna start braiding. And then as I come down, I'm gonna pick up more locks. You feel me? I'm gonna pick up my locks. But I don't want to do it too tight because, girl, I am also trying to preserve my edges. So, and a lot of people like ask me questions about my locks, like how long have I had them and how do I keep them up? So honey, I'm gonna do a whole video on that this week, tomorrow, as a matter of fact, because what I'm gonna have to do, I think I might have a little free time to do this, so might as well. So do I want this up or back? I'm gonna put it on up. So, and this is like a soft braid. This is how it's looking, but it's a soft braid because I really don't want to yank my edges out. Like, don't want to yank my edges out. So these are my rubber bands, y'all. I bought some bad rubber bands from the dollar store. These are the good ones. They're the thicker ones. I think they're called super rubber bands. I don't know. It's faded, but I'm gonna show y'all how to fix little stuff like that too. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and then I'm not gonna braid it all the way back. I'm just gonna like right up in there, like so. Okay, and then this side, I think I'm just gonna braid it back. Right? Yeah. I should just braid it back. So I'm gonna start off with the twist. Girl, I look and I'm like, I don't know if I'm gaining weight or not. But either way, I'm finna but continue my journey of a healthy life. Period. This week I was thinking, y'all, when I was upstairs, I was like, what can my goal for the week? I should start having goals for the week so that that's just something I could always like look forward to, and you know, just having goals helps you accomplish a lot of things. That's what I'm trying to say, accomplish. So, my goal for this week, I think I got like 4 or 5 videos that I have not edited yet. I'm about to edit them all this week. That's my weekly goal. So now, there's so many different ways I can do this. One of the ways is the pigtails. So that's why I like doing my hair, like in a style where I leave the back out. Oh, please don't pop. Please don't pop. In a style where I leave the back out, because I can be like really versatile. So, and I did this hairstyle in under 10 minutes, honey. Because baby, I'm not about to edit none of this out. I'm probably just gonna upload it. So I could do something like this. Let me do my edges. Y'all, I'm looking for my edge brush whole time. It's right here. So what I usually do is just scoop this out. Y'all, it smells so good. See how much is on there? And then I'm super duper excited. Cause Saturday, y'all, I had a client. I was out all day in the heat. And when I got home, my edges was still laid, okay? Let me turn this way. My edges was still laid. So y'all see? And y'all, like I said, Walmart. Wally World. I don't know how I'm gonna do these. Probably just... Okay. And y'all, me and my mama been on a mission to find a good edge control. Y'all, and I just want to say how proud of myself I am, because I am growing and I'm loving myself and I'm accepting myself. Because there was a time with these scars, I would never come on camera and let them show, because to me it looks like a goatee. Is it called a goatee? It's not a goatee. It looks like a beard, I guess. But it's from me shaving, because PCOS, yeah, is real, okay? But I'm proud of myself, because now the way I think about it is what it is. You're either gonna like it or not. And really, I don't care if you like it, because I'm okay with it. And I love it. And it's a part of me. And God did not make a mistake when he made me. So, yes, ma'am. Well, I thought I had my claw clips, but I don't. So, that's that. Now I'm about to, I lost my spray bottle too, so I'm just about to put some water on my hair somehow. Alright, y'all, so this is how we are looking the next morning. And yeah, it's definitely a week style. Look at these edges. Girl, it lays, okay? And once again, this is Edge Fixer, Maximum Hold 24-hour Sweet Peach, okay? This is the back. So yeah, and now I'm just going to throw a little water, literally get some water in my hand, and just put it on my hand, just like this. Just because it feels a little dry, and I don't know where my spray bottle is, so I'm probably gonna have to buy another one. But yeah, y'all, that's it basically for this video. But alright, y'all, I will talk to y'all later. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank y'all for even showing up. Thank y'all for even watching the end of this video. If you made it to the end, if you made it to 2 minutes, thank you anyways. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.